Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do Latihan 9. Okay, let's go. So for the first one, the average is 80 a day. So basically, the question is about Miss Bridgen, who is thinking about the 80 degree sorry, $80 tips a day guarantee from the store. So yeah, the it's about a population. So we're gonna use Z here, and you also know that the standard deviation is 9.95, N is 35 days, and also the mean or the X bar is 84.85 at a 0.01 significance level. And for the hypothesis, it is more than 80. So for the H null, it's mu equals to 80, which is from here. And from here, because she wants to conclude that her tips is more than 80, it becomes more than 80, as you can see here. Okay, now let's move on to question B. Like I said before, it's Z statistics because you know the population standard deviation. Now for the formula, yeah, you have to memorize this or just print it out. The confidence level is 99%. It's from this one. 1 minus 0.01 is 99. Sorry, 0.99. And for this, basically for E, according to the answer sheet, you have to draw the critical value table. And on the answer sheet, it's a drawing of the graph. So you just do this, the middle, and a line here. It's more than, so it's lurking towards the right. For F, you just calculate the critical value, just put in the number. For G, what is the decision rule? So you reject H null. It's rejected if Z is bigger than 2.33. And this, in this case, this one is bigger than 2.33. So we reject. Because H null is rejected, we're gonna use H1. And in H1, mu, sorry, in H, oh my god. In H1, mu is more than 80, making making it worth it for her to continue as the average is more than 80 or more than the guaranteed from the store. Okay, now let's move on to the 14th question. This one is about an airport. Basically, it is a sample of 20 airports. And the airport wants to investigate about a problem. And yeah, it's basically that. So it is a sample, you have a 20 sample. If the sample is more than 30, then you will use the Z table, because if it's more than 30, then it is considered as a population. Okay, now let's move on to this. The H null is mu equals to 15. It's from here. At the significance level of 0.5, can the watchdog agency conclude that the mean of the complaints per airport is less than 15? So the H null is equals to 15, while the H1 is mu less than 15, because it's from the hypothesis here. So yeah, we just have to do it, the t-statistics, because it's a sample. The formula for the t-statistics is from your book. You can write this down on your cheat sheet. The confidence level is this one. It's from 95%. Yeah. And because it's lurking to the left, because it's less than here. So it's going left. So it's here. You reject if it's in this area. Oh, and to use the t-table, t 0.05, 19. So 0.05 is from the confidence level. and 19 is from degree of freedom. Degree of freedom is n minus 1, and n in this case is 20. So here you can see on the, where's the t table? T table 0. Oh, because it's a one tailed test, so you just use this one, 0 0.05. Move it down here, 19, 1.729. So it's the same thing as what I've written here. And it's negative because it's on the left side of the thing. And now, yeah, you just have to move this into here. Oh, sorry, for G, you reject when it is less than negative 1.729, and you reject because 4.472 is less than negative 1.729. So, yeah, for I, the business decision, because H no is rejected, then there is a strong evidence that the average number of complaint is less than 15, because it's way beyond that side. Now for the last question, um, let me make sure that there's okay. For the last question is about a company comparing two offices for the distance. Okay, so basically the let's say that Pittsburgh is P and Cincinnati is C. Okay, so for C we have a sample of 35 and a mean of 370, and for P we have a sample of 40 and a mean of 380. And the standard deviation, population standard deviation, is 30 and 29 respectively at 95% significant confidence level. So yeah, this is the formula when you compare two datas. Yeah, you just put it in. X bar, the mu is from here. Mu1 equals to mu2. So if it's mu1 minus mu2, it will be 0 because they are equal to each other. Basically, if you move mu2 here, it will be mu1 minus mu2 equals to 0. So yeah, mu1 minus mu2 here is 0. So we just put x bar 1 minus x bar 2, negative 10 over this. You just put in the numbers and you will get this. Now it is a two-tailed test because I kind of forgot why. But it will be a two-tailed test. And yeah, you have negative 1.96 and 1.96, and happily it is in the middle. So you fail to reject H null.